What's good, y'all? Welcome to my show. No. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Priscillamonroe show. On today's episode, I'm doing a full face using Tarte Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite brands. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette by Tarte. It doesn't have a name on it, so I'm not really sure. It just says what's in it. So the first color I'm going to use is this rusty brown color. It's called Awe. I'm going to use the same color and just deepen it up a bit with this Morphe 321. So I'm going to go back to the fluffy brush now and blend this out. Okay guys, so next is going to be this color called Cloud 9. Alright guys, next up is this bronzy color called Bazaar. Next I'm going to take this color called Scenic, just like a dark brown. Now I'm just going to blend it out a little with this fluffy brush. So next up I'm going to use this gold one called Artesian. I'm using my eyeliner with this black Tarte clay paint eyeliner, which is literally to die for. It's one of my favorite eyeliners in the world, and it comes with this brush. Alright y'all, next up is this Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation.
The boots that he had on, but
So next I'm going to use this Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This is the shade Deep. Next up I'm going to set this foundation with some powder. I don't have a Tarte setting powder, so I'm using a different one. Alright, so next up is going to be the same concealer, but I'm going to use the shade Rich. And this is going to start my contour. So to do my contour, I'm going to use the colors that came in this Tarte box. And first I'm going to go in with the matte one and this Morphe Y4 brush. And with Morphe Y12 to do my nose contour.
I know where I was.
So now I'm using Morphe Y1 and I'm just going to dust off all of this powder. So next up is blush, and I'm using Morphe Y8. And I'm gonna go into this lighter pink.
That was her priority. I mean, she wanted to get the best.
Okay, so to set my face, I'm going to use this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and it's a 4-in-1 setting mist. I don't know what 4 things it is, but it looks like this. It's so cute. And I'm just going to use this highlighter that is also in the palette. Alright, so next up I have to finish the eyeshadow on the bottom. So I'm going to go in with the first color I used. It's called Awe. This one. So next I'm going to take the same gold color, Artesian,
I've told both detectives from
put this
Berry County.
right here.
The reason why Lynn went missing was because Lynn made a confession tape. And because of the trial that was coming.
So now I'm going to take the color Scenic that we used before, the dark brown, and this Morphe 213 brush. And I'm going to go under my waterline to finish out this eyeshadow. I don't have a Tarte lip liner, but I'm going to use this NYX brown.
Right here. Didn't quite settle.
So the Tarte's lip paint is what I'm going to use, and this color is called Killing It, because that's what we're doing. Okay, so this sucks because I'm all out of my favorite mascara, and it is this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And look at this packaging, guys. Oh my gosh. It's amazing! But I'm out of it. So since I don't have that, I'm going to use this Lancome Monsieur Big. You could stop here if you wanted to. I'm gonna do a little bit of faux freckles because I think it would just make it look, you know, a bit more something. I usually use my Mayron face paint to do this, but you can use eyeshadow or eyeliner or, you know, whatever you have that's brown, that works. Go in with the small detail brush. And there is my faux freckles. Okay guys, so that just about wraps it up for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with all of your beautiful, lovely friends.
Les volets sont fermés, donc appelle un serrurier pour ouvrir la porte.
If you have some extra time, please check out my other videos. They are linked in the description below. And thanks so much for being here. Again, have a blessed day and a blessed life, and I will see you next time. Peace out.